Hey, what's going on? I am Danny, your friendly Tech Amigo, and we finally got everything we ordered from Apple, as well as some things from our sponsor over at ESR. So let's get to unpacking. I don't know where to start. This is probably going to be last because this is a little gift that I got for my wife. So let's probably put this off to the side over here. These are from our proud sponsors. And this is somebody that I would like to get sponsored by. So JTech, if you're watching, I use your stuff all the time, honestly. I don't know which one to start. To start with this one? No, this is too light. Start with, you know what? Let's start with this one. Oh, what the hell this tape's doing here? Let's start with this one. What I did notice is that it's already been opened. It's already been opened and they just put tape on it again. Maybe they just had to clear it to customs, make sure it wasn't no like, I don't know, something that's not from Apple. Maybe, not sure. But maybe we don't even need to. Ooh. It's got something that's got a battery in it, so. Oh, this is the first thing that's in here. We have the AirPods Pros, 3rd generation. I'm actually really interested in these because I'm always using AirPods. I'm always using some type of headphones. So I'm really interested in this. This is obviously gonna get its own review. Put that down. There's something else in the box. Yes. I personally, I did not get a new Apple Watch because I still have mine. It works fairly well. This is the Apple Watch Series 9. But I did get a new band because I am working out, sort of. Let's see what this is. This is probably the iPhone, not Pro Max, because if you guys have seen my videos, you guys know that my fingers are way too small. My hands are way too small, so I can't even hold it. Oh, what's this? We did get the MagSafe charger. I'm not a MagSafe guy. I've told you guys numerous amount of time. If it's gonna be truly wireless, I really want something that's not even attached to it. But I had to see what all the fuzz is about, so I did get this one. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. The iPhone 17 Pro in platinum. I'm really happy I got the platinum and not the orange or the blue, because I've seen videos that a few days go by and you get a bunch of scratches. So yeah, I'm really happy I got this one. And let's go ahead and wait, hold on one second. Let's open this up since it is my wife's. I'm gonna let her do the honors of unboxing the actual item inside, but let's just open this up. Oh. Yes, there it is. I know she's gonna make me clean all this up later, but this is Apple Watch. This is the Series 11 in the 42 millimeter. This is for my wife. I hope she uses it to its fullest potential. You know what? First things first, let's go for the AirPods Pros 3. I'm really excited about these. They have better noise cancellation. They have better foams. They actually have foam now in the ear tips, so really happy for that. I've been using the AirPods Pros, the AirPods 4th generation. Those have been phenomenal, but let's open these. I have another camera over here, so probably gonna edit this some way or another, but let's go ahead and open this up right here. Ooh, I got it all the way. Yes, here comes the second one. Yes, and boom, there they are. There they are. Here we go. AirPods Pros 4. Ooh, I don't even want to open them, man. They feel so nice. I want to just. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, AirPods Pros 3rd generation, and yes, we did get that Tech Amigo on there. Wow. Yeah, I'm really excited about these. Can't wait to. Oh, something's clicking. You got the thing for the lanyard right here. You also have your speaker. You have your USB-C port. Nothing really much changed from this. Apart from the button, there is no more button. You do have a touch right here, which I'm not really a fan of. I really do like buttons. If you like my channel, subscribe if you haven't already. But I'm really into buttons. I like buttons. Oh, wait. We got something's in here. Oh, yeah. Look at those. You get more ear tips. So there's already some ear tips on here, as you can see. But you have more ear tips right here. From extra small, extra small, extra small, small, and large. Those can come in handy. We'll put this back here. Oh no, we're gonna put this back here the correct way. So glad I didn't like rip through this. Oh, look at that. I can unbox these again. Did you see that? I can literally unbox these again. Oh, we didn't go through the paperwork, but it's same thing. So yeah, we'll just, I hate doing this because then I can't ever put it back in the way it came out. Here we go, put this back over here. Next thing we're gonna open up is this band. I know you guys already seen bands like these all the time, but let's go ahead and open this up. Yeah, man, I'm on a roll this today. Ooh, see how we can open this? Oh, just like that. Okay, put this off to the side. Oh, wow. Now, I have been doing quite a bit of workouts lately. Oh my God, I think this is too small. I think I got the small one. I gotta try it out real quick. Hold on. This is the Nike band. I'm gonna put this off to the side over here. This is the Nike band. I think you put it on like this, maybe. Clip, yes, and clip. Oh no, maybe I did get. Oh no. Psych. There it is. Oh, it looks fresh. Looks clean. Yeah. I like it. See that? I even have this all planned out. It does say unboxing. I'm ahead of time. Let's get to the last, but not least. Well, not the last one because my wife's going to open up her Apple Watch, but let's get to this bad boy. It feels really light and it's really thin, even though it's heavier. Now, I'm making a huge upgrade because this is my main device. This is the iPhone 16e, and it's been a great phone for me, but I do miss a couple of cameras. I'm not gonna lie, I do miss a couple of cameras. And my huge leap, I'm going all the way to a 17 Pro, not a Pro Max. Why? Because my fingers are really, really small. My hands are small in general, so yeah. Let's see, I've been on a roll on all of these. Let's see if this one has not failed me. Ah, I failed. Well, can't get them all, can you? It's not Pokemon. I hope this doesn't fall out. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. That's pretty. That's a pretty phone. Even though I'm always going to use the case for this, and that's where our proud sponsors from ESR come in. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Did you just buy a new iPhone and you want to get some cool accessories, great material, well built, and durable? Well, I just teamed up with ESR and they've got you covered. They have everything from MagSafe accessories to plain accessories that protect your iPhone. We don't want those scuffs to go on your new iPhone Pro 17 or iPhone 17 or iPhone Pro Max 17. The orange is kind of cool, the blue is kind of cool, but you want to keep that protected. Check the link in the description below where you can get 20% off your next purchase with ESR. Thank you, ESR, for sponsoring this channel. Let's get back to it. Welcome back. Yeah. Still haven't gotten out of the box. Here we go. Oh, it does feel heavy. This is a heavy phone. It's the thick phone. It's a thick phone. It's like me. It's chubby. Look at that. Compared to my phone that I've been using for the past 6 months. Oh, it's about the same. I lied. It's just heavier because it's got more cameras and stuff. But yeah, it's about the same. Hold on. Before we get to that, let's go ahead. Let's see if I can do this one. Can we do this one? You guys think I can do it? Comment down below if you think I can do it. I think I did it. I'm not sure. I did do it. Oh, I got the 2-meter one. I'm not sure how much it is in feet or how many feet that is, but I got the 2-meter one. We got a bunch of paperwork, but I never even had the first one. And I don't want to rip it out of here. How do you, oh, maybe you just put that thing down. Yeah, you just, oh, okay. And let's see what the new, see, this new iPhone does have MagSafe on here, on the actual phone. Not like my iPhone 16e, it doesn't have MagSafe, but ESR sent me some cases that do have MagSafe. Oh, wow. Just clips on right there. Nice. Okay, thank you. Proud wireless charger that's not really wireless. Let's get put up to the side. Let's go for the phone. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's a good looking phone. Let's turn it on. Buttons seem fine. There we go. There's the Apple logo. And I love ESR. I have a few products from them myself. These are great. This orange. My wife's camera shy, so she didn't want to do it. So I'm going to do the honors of unboxing this for her. I always rip these, so hopefully I get it right this time. How does it go? How does it go? How does it go? Like this? Oh, like that. Like that. Okay, I got it. Got the first one. Hopefully I don't rip the second. I didn't rip it. And this is always... Oh, look at that. Even though it didn't really change that much, you gotta give it up to marketing. Look at that. Look at focus. This is the Apple Watch 42mm Apple Watch Series 11. And we did get matching bands, but she got the green one. Her favorite color is green, so we got her the green one. 1 for $6. Or no, I'm like 5 for $6, something like that. Can I get this one? Oh, we got it. We did get it. And there is the green band. Oh, how do I get this out? Oh, look at that. That is pretty nice. That is nice. Look at that. Look at that band. Oh, it's stretchable. Look, we got matching bands, but she's got the green one. I got the platinum one that matches my watch. Put this off to the side real quick. And then, oh, there's more. Look, let's have some fun. See if we can get these. 1, 2, 3. Oh, but I got it. I got it. Another one. Ah, I got it though. Let's open this up. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Okay, this does have like super ultra fast charging or something like that. We do have the cable in here. She's gonna use it, so can I open it? She's right here. She's camera shy. Can I open it? Look at that. USB-C. Little puck. We've seen this before. Okay. Next. This one, right? Oh, it's black. It's so nice. Let's get it open. I always rip these, so hopefully I learned from before. Yeah, you just pop it like that. Oh, look at that. It turned on. We got to get the band on there. Where's the band? We got to get the band on there, of course. Was it like this? Yes. No, like this. How do I get it on? Doesn't fit. It does fit. Goes on. Let me try your other band. See if the other band fits. Oh, it does. Oh, look at that. That is great. Look at that. That is beautiful. I don't care if it's the same thing as last year. It's beautiful. Do you have your iPhone? No? Okay, let's take this off. This is her old Apple Watch. She's got the Apple Watch Series 9. 42 or 41, something like that. And she loves this band. Yes, it does. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Fancy. All right, you gotta go get your Apple Watch. She really doesn't even know. The camera's right here. She doesn't even know. Like, right here. There you go. Nice. So that's all the unboxing we have for today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to see how it goes with the chipping on this color. And also, if you want anything else besides cases like keyboards for your iPad, MagSafe accessories, go to ESR. Link in the description where you can get 20% off your next purchase. Thank you again, ESR, for sponsoring this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.